Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 2 cups fresh basil leaves plus 1 cup cilantro creates an Indo-Italian herb base. Toast 1/2 cup roasted peanuts until golden for a nutty texture, and add 1/4 cup grated Parmesan for umami. Peel and roughly chop 3 cloves garlic and 1 green chili. Remove seeds if you want mild heat. Measure 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 tsp salt, and keep 1/4 cup olive oil and 2 tablespoon ghee ready for blending and finishing. Place basil, cilantro, 1/2 cup roasted peanuts, 3 cloves garlic, 1 green chili, and 1/2 tsp toasted cumin seeds into a food processor. Pulse in short bursts until the mixture reaches a coarse paste, scraping down the sides as needed. With the motor running, slowly stream in 1/4 cup olive oil and 2 tablespoon melted ghee to create a glossy emulsion. Stop and taste. Adjust acidity with 1 tablespoon lemon juice and seasoning with 1 tsp salt. Then blend briefly to reach your preferred smoothness. To serve, toss 1/4 cup pesto with 100 g hot pasta, or spread 2 tablespoons per slice on grilled bread. Garnish with extra peanuts or Parmesan. For storage, transfer pesto to an airtight jar and press it flat, then pour a thin 1 mm layer of olive oil on the surface to prevent oxidation. Refrigerate for up to 7 days. For longer storage, freeze in 2 tablespoon portions in ice cube trays or airtight bags for up to 3 months and thaw in the refrigerator before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.